grouped frequency distribution. See this data. These numbers represent marks obtained by 45 students out of 50. This data is unorganized and difficult to understand. The data obtained through this method is called raw data. To draw meaningful estimation from this data, we need to arrange it in order. For that, let's divide the given data into different groups like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, etc. Now we see that there are 2 students between 0 to 10. Between 10 to 20, there are 14 students, etc. Data represented with this method is called grouped, and the details received are called grouped frequency distribution. These groups are called class interval. Apart from this, in each group, the number of students is the frequency of the group. Observe that 10 occurs in both classes, that is, in 0 to 10 as well as in 10 to 20. But it is not possible that any observation is related to 2 classes simultaneously. To avoid this, we adopt convention that the common observation will be related to high interval, that is, 10 is related to class interval 10 to 20 and not with 0 to 10. Now, let's talk about class limits. In class interval 0 to 10, 0 is called lower class limit and 10 is called higher class limit. Similarly, for class interval 10 to 20, 10 is the lower class limit and 20 is the higher class limit. Now in this interval, the difference between higher class limit and lower class limit is 20 minus 10, that is 10. Similarly, in class interval 0 to 10, again the difference is 10 minus 0, that is 10. The difference between the higher class limit and the lower class limit of each interval is the same and is called width or size of a class interval, which in this case is 10.